Okay guys, hello everyone, hope you are doing fine my people. I'm also doing fine. So here it was a beautiful morning. I had to wake up and thank God for a beautiful morning and a new day. So I got my toothpaste, toothbrush and shampoos. Then I had to go and take shower. I started by brushing my teeth as usual. I hope you can see. And then later I took my shower. Yeah, here I was coming from the bathroom after taking my morning shower. Yeah, so here I was almost ready to go for work as a housemaid working in Gulf countries, working in Arab countries. I was ready to go for work. Yes, I was almost getting ready, and then here it was by I was leaving my room. Yeah, and then I started by mixing my chemicals and detergents which I use to clean washrooms. As you can see, I was mixing them in a container that is Clorox, very dangerous. That's why I'm putting mask, as you can see. Yeah, for protection. So I started by cleaning the sink. As you can see, I had already started my work. I had already started. I had to clean it very well, very well. Yes, I had to give it time so that my work can come out perfectly. Yeah, sometimes when you are working, you have to put all of your energy and make sure your results are really giving. So here I had to start cleaning the floor. Yes, I was trying to clean the floor. Yeah, as you can see, working is not easy by the way, but by God's grace we work, and in Jesus' name we shall achieve. Yeah, we shall achieve. That's what I can tell you. Working, sometimes you wake up in the morning, you feel like maybe you don't need to work, you feel weak, but guess what, you have to put yourself together and go for work. You get? Yeah, all this is part of cleaning. I was cleaning chairs, whatever, everything in the house should be clean. Here was still cleaning the floor. The house is somehow big, but I have to do that work every day, no dodging. No dodging. I have to do that work every single day. Yes, that is my routine, my everyday routine. Yeah, hope you understand, guys. Working in Arab countries is not easy, but we do by God's grace. And then here I was in the kitchen washing utensils. And while I was washing utensils, I had to take some juice. Yes, a glass of juice was here, so I could always take so that I get more energy to work, because I had a lot of work this day, so I had to keep on taking something like this. Yeah, all this is part of working every day. Every single day I have to do this work. I have to clean everything, everything. Yeah, it's part of working, guys. And mind you, we have to work because we need to survive. You cannot survive without working. Yes, you cannot survive without working. All that is that is part of cleaning. Every single day, that is everyday routine. So I had to work, and this day I had to clean that carpet you are seeing. I had to clean it. I had to scrub it. Yes, here I have to take it outside. Sorry. And then after taking it outside, the next step was to clean it. Here I was trying to fix water pipe. Yeah, I was trying to fix water pipe. Yeah, so that it can be easy for me to scrub and clean that cartridge, as you will see. Yeah, here I had started. And here we don't have carpet cleaners. No, we use brushes, tweezers, and whatever. Yeah, we don't have all these machines to clean carpet. No, manpower is needed. So I use squeezer, brushes, and everything that can help me clean it out. Yeah, as you can see. And guys, the sunshine was really it was very hot this day. It was very hot. If you can watch clearly my video, the sunshine was really too much, but I thank God here I had finished cleaning it. As you can see, I had to fold it. Yeah, I had to fold it like that so that it can get dry easily. Yeah, when you do it like that, it usually gets dry easily, like within one day when the sunshine is really too much. Yeah, here I had finished cleaning it. I was very happy. I had to dance. Oh, thank you.